Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the features of the YOTOZU waterproof portable travel fan, a versatile and innovative cooling solution perfect for home, office, and outdoor adventures. This fan boasts a detachable and waterproof design, utilizing upgraded magnetic levitation technology that allows the fan head to be easily removed and cleaned, ensuring convenience and hygiene. Its foldable and portable design makes it ideal for travel, allowing you to place it on a desktop or hang it on a wall with the included tools, making it perfect for any setting from your kitchen to camping trips. With 4 adjustable speeds and a dedicated natural wind mode, you can enjoy a quiet and comfortable environment, while the 4-hour timer adds an extra layer of safety and energy efficiency. Powered by a 4000 mAh rechargeable battery, this fan offers over 12 hours of cooling on a full charge, making it a reliable companion for long days out. Additionally, the fan features an aroma diffuser function, allowing you to add your favorite aromatherapy pieces for a refreshing and soothing atmosphere. Finally, with a slow start feature to protect the fan and a 1-year product assurance backed by responsive customer service, the YOTOZU fan is designed to meet all your cooling needs with peace of mind. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.